Imagine walking into a shop and paying with chocolate instead of money. It sounds unbelievable, but hundreds of years ago, cacao beans were so valuable, they were actually used as currency. This is the incredible true story of chocolate. Our story begins over 3,000 years ago in the tropical rainforests of Central America, where cacao trees grew naturally. Hidden inside their colorful pods were precious cacao beans. The ancient Maya, and later the Aztecs, believed cacao was incredibly valuable. They carefully harvested the beans and treated them as a precious gift. But chocolate wasn't sweet. The beans were roasted, ground into a paste and mixed with water and spices to create a rich, bitter drink that looked nothing like today's hot chocolate. Then something remarkable happened. In some regions, cacao beans became so valuable that they were used as money to buy everyday goods in local markets. In the 1500s, Spanish explorers brought cacao to Europe. At first, many people found the drink too bitter. Then sugar was added. The bitter drink became sweeter, and chocolate soon became a luxury enjoyed by wealthy families across Europe. During the 1800s, new chocolate-making techniques created smoother, creamier chocolate, leading to the chocolate bars we enjoy today. As chocolate became more affordable, it spread around the world and became one of the world's most popular treats. Did you know? Chocolate comes from the seeds of the cacao tree, and the very first chocolate drinks were bitter, not sweet. From ancient rainforests to kitchens and shops around the world, chocolate has traveled an incredible journey spanning thousands of years. The next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember, it all started with a tiny cacao bean and an amazing story. Subscribe to Creative Recipes for more fascinating food stories, delicious recipes, and kitchen inspiration.